Hey everyone, this video is about how to resize and reduce your photo size on iPhone. In general, sometimes we need to reduce the image file size or resolutions like for applying jobs and some government website and even some verification process too. Okay, now let's see how to do this. First, go to App Store and type shortcuts. Then click search. Click this. This is a official Apple app, you can see here. Actually, this app used for multiple purposes. We will see that on a separate video. Now just install the app. Open that. Then your interface seems like this. Now I am having an image on my photo app. To see the details of an image, I have to save this file to Files app. Save to Files. Save. Then open Files app. Yeah. Now you can see the image on Files app. Long press on that, click Info. Then you will be able to see the technical information here. JPEG file size was 2 MB and dimensions. Currently the dimensions was 3373 x 2304. Okay, now I want to reduce the image size to 1280 x 720 pixels. Let's do this. Back to the Shortcuts app and click this plus icon. Then touch these three dots and type your shortcut name. I type Image Resizer. Then click Done. Then turn on this toggle button under Share Sheet. Then click Anything and deselect all and select only images and click Done. Now click this plus icon, Media, scroll down. Then click Get Images from Input. Then again click this plus icon. Then choose Resize Image. Here is the main thing. You can resize the image size. Now I want to resize to 1280 into 720 pixels. So here on the width I type 1280. And you can also type 720 or leave it for auto height. I am just type 720. After typing width and height, then again click this plus icon. Now click Convert Image. And here you can convert the image to any format like JPEG, PNG, PDF. I am just leave it to JPEG. So I cancel this. Default JPEG is enough for me. Then once again click this plus icon and click this X mark. Then click Downloads, scroll down a little bit and click Save File. Yeah, completed your process. Then click Done. That's it. You successfully created your shortcut for image resizing purpose. And one more thing, on first time you have to ask Siri to run the shortcut by saying that name. For me it's Image Resizer. Now go to Photos app and choose the image you want to resize. Then touch the share button. Scroll down to the end. Then you will see your created shortcut. on Me Image Resizer. Touch that. Save this. Now you can see the image resizer was done. Go to Files app. Yeah, now see, this was the original image and this was the reduced size image. It's 2 MB and it's 558 KB. Okay, let's see. Info. Yeah, you can see the pixel also reduced to 1280 x 720. That's our preferred size. Likewise, you can reduce and resize any image to your desired file size. And if you wish to change the pixel size means go to Shortcut tab and edit on resize image. Now you can change whatever you want. And finally, some important tips. If you can't see the created shortcut on your Photos app, turn off and on your iPhone once. Then you will be able to see the created shortcut like Image Resizer. And still can't able to see the shortcut means go to Settings, Shortcuts, turn on this. If it doesn't turn on, just open Shortcut app once and again turn on this, then enter iPhone screen password, then definitely you will be able to see the created shortcuts on Photos app. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.